So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Let us discuss about the series. How many pieces of coins in your wallet? So we have 120 coins, and then 220 coins, 320 coins, 420 coins. To get the series of these pieces of coins in your wallet, we need to add. So that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So we have 10 coins in your wallet. How many pieces or how many medicines you intake? We need to count how many capsules. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 medicines. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. And then afterwards, let us add. So 6 plus 9 plus 12. So 6 plus 9, that is 15. 15 plus 12, that is 27 capsules. So the medicines you intake, that is 27 capsules. Let us discuss further about series. So what is series? Series, it is the cumulative sum of a given sequence of terms. So we need to get the sum of the terms. What could be the symbols for the series? The symbol for the series, that is S sub n. So that is the symbol for the series. And our n, that could be the number of terms. Let us distinguish now the finite series. Finite series, that is the sum of the finite sequence. We need to get the sum of the finite sequence, that is finite series. In a finite sequence, the example, and let us see the example of the finite series. The finite sequence, that is 1, 3, 5, 7. While in the finite series, we need to add. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, that is 16. Second example, 11, 8, 5, and 2. That is finite sequence. Our finite series, we need to add. 11 plus 8, that is 19. 19 plus 5, that is 24, plus 2, that is 26. So 16 and 26, that is the sum of the finite sequence. So let us find the indicated value of each series. So 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 9, that is 18. 18 plus 12. So and then we need to get the sum of the series. And how to get the sum of the series? So we have only 4 terms. To get the sum of the series, we have the first term 3, second term 6, third term 9, fourth term 12. We need first to identify the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, and the eighth term. So based on this, let us observe what could be the pattern. The pattern is 3. 3 plus 3, that is 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, that is 15. 15 plus 3, that is 18. 18 plus 3, that is 21, our seventh term. And 21 plus 3, that is 24. And then afterwards, let us add to get the sum of the series. So 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 21 plus 24. So the sum of the series, that is equal to 108. Let us find the indicated value of the sum of this series, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. So we need to identify the another 5 term to get the sum of the 10 term. Our first term, that is 2, second term is 4, third term 6, fourth term 8, and our fifth term, that is 10. So let us observe what could be the pattern. The pattern to make it 4, that is 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So it means after 10, that is 12, our sixth term. 12 plus 2, that is 14, that is seventh term. 14 plus 2, that is 16, our eighth term. 16 plus 2, that is 18, our ninth term, and 18 plus 2, that is our 20th term. So let us add to get the sum of this finite sequence. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20. So the sum of this finite sequence, that is equal to 110. Let us find the sum of the first four terms of the sequence defined by S sub n is equal to 3n minus 1. So first four terms, we need to replace the value of n by 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So our given S sub n is equal to 3n minus 1. So we need to identify the first four terms. So it means the first four terms, that is first term, second term, third term, and then our fourth term. So we need to replace the value by the equation. So that becomes 3 times 1, copy negative 1. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Let us replace the value of n by 2. So that is 3 times 2 minus 1. 3 times 2, that is 6 minus 1, that is 5. So this is our second term. Our third term, that is replace n by 3. So 3 times 3 minus 1. 3 times 3, that is 9. Minus 1, that is equal to 8. Our fourth term, that is 4. So 3 times 4, 12 minus 1, that is 11. So let us get the sum of this one. So 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11. So 2 plus 5, that is 7, plus 8, 15, plus 11, the answer is equal to 26. So the sum of the sequence defined by S of n is equal to 3n minus 1. The answer is equal to 26. Summation or sigma notation. So it makes use the uppercase sigma. So this is sigma, a Greek alphabet equivalent to S. So how to read this sigma notation? This is read as the summation of 5n plus 1. Summation of 5n plus 1 goes n goes to n equals 1 to 5. Again, summation of 5n plus 1 goes to n equals 1 up to 5. Let us write the expanded form of this formula. Summation of 5n plus 2 goes to n equals 1 up to 5. So the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and then the fifth term. So mula 1 daw up to 5. So mula first term up to the fifth term. So we need to replace the value of n by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, and then by 5. So that becomes 5 times 1 plus 2. So 5 times 1, that is 5 plus 2, that is 7. Second term, replace n by 2. So 5 times 2 plus 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2, that is 12. Third term, that is 3. 5 times 3, that is 15, plus 2, that is equal to 17. Fourth term, replace n by 4. So 5 times 4, copy 2. 5 times 4, that is 20, plus 2, that is 22. Our fifth term, 5 times 5 plus 2. 5 times 5, that is 25, plus 2, that is 27. So this sequence, that is 7, 12, 27, 22, and 27, let us add. So that becomes 7, first term, second term, 12, third term, 17, fourth term, 22, and then our last term, that is 27. If we add, the answer is equal to 85. So the summation of 5n plus 2 goes to n equals 1 up to 5, that is 85. How about summation of 4n goes to n equals 1 up to 6? Let us find the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and sixth term. Our equation is 4n. So let us replace the value of n by 1. First term, so copy 4, replace n by 1. 4 times 1, that is equal to 4. Second term, copy 4, replace n by 2. So 4 times 2, that is 8. Third term, Copy 4. Replace the value of n by 3. So that is 4 times 3, 12. Fourth term. Copy 4. Replace n by 4. So 4 times 4, that is 16. Fifth term. Copy 4. Replace n by 5. So 4 times 5, that is 20. Sixth term. Copy 4. Replace n by 6. So 4 times 6, that is 24. So afterwards, let us write to be able to identify what is the sum of this sequence. 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20 plus 24. If we add, the answer is equal to 84. So the summation of 4n goes to n equals 1 up to 6, that is equal to 84. How about number 3? Summation of 2n minus 3 goes to n equals 1 up to 6. So we need to identify the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term up to the sixth term. Our equation, that is 2n minus 3. So let us replace the value of n by the first term. So that is 2 times 1 minus 3. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 3. The answer is equal to negative 1. Second term equals 2. Replace n by 2 minus 3. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 3. That is equal to 1. Third term, copy 2. Replace n by 3 minus 3. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 3. That is equal to 3. Fourth term, copy 2. Replace n by 4. So, and then copy negative 3. 2 times 4 is 8 minus 3. That is equal to 5. Fifth term, copy 2. Replace n by 5. Copy negative 3. 2 times 5 is 10 minus 3. That is 7. Sixth term, copy 2. Replace n by 6. Copy negative 3. 2 times 6 is 12 minus 3. That is equal to 9. So afterwards, let us copy the first up to the sixth term. First term is negative 1. Second term is 1. Third term is 3. Fourth term is 5. Fifth term is 7. And the sixth term is 9. So the sum, that is equal to 24.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.